Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I haven't uploaded any YouTube videos and now I am back and I can make videos that gonna help you if you are a freelancer, if you are a content creator. So today's video is very special if you are a short video creator. So if you want to start your YouTube channel with short video, so this video gonna change your life. So creating shorts video, you can upload as a short YouTube short, Reels video and TikTok video, and also you can start your Amazon affiliate marketing business. So if you have a zero knowledge, zero skills, don't worry, you can make shorts video using AI. So you don't need to high skill one video editing, script writing. So if you check shorts section and you will see, so I'm going to show you the videos that I uploaded already. Here you can see unveiling the top 5 Shopify winning products. This video got 429 views and also subscribers. I'm going to reveal you, don't worry. Unlock the best website hosting provider, 60 views, 12 views and 14 views. These 4 videos are created by AI. Okay, so it's completely AI generated shorts video and it just take seconds, a few seconds or a few minutes. So it's really easy. You don't need to have any high skill or you don't have to spend any single money. Here you can see this short has gotten 429 views since it was published, and it's published April 1 and it's April 20. Okay, and I got 1 subscriber. This video has shown in feed 905 and views 429. Let's dive into the main topic. That's mean I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of YouTube videos. That's mean short videos. So no look further. If you are a new here, so click on sign up. Here you can see the 3 options available there. Sign up with Google, sign up with Apple and Microsoft. Also you can input your email address. So alright, so right now I am in vid.io dashboard and here you can see the recent videos that I've already showed you into my YouTube channel that I uploaded. Alright, it's totally clear. So let's click on create project. Okay, so let's make a video. So you can upload your any files, any videos that you want to edit, or you can start by recording. So we'll not choose this option. I'm going to show you start with AI. That gonna help you a lot to make shorts with AI. So click on start with AI. Alright, I'm just writing here top 5 dropshipping winning products. So generate video. Click on generate video. We are preparing your videos, writing a script, recording a voiceover, generating background music and finding stock media to fill the timeline. That's true. You will see all the things like script, recording, voiceover, background music and the stock footage. That's mean video and images over there. So it's really funny to see this kind of results over there. Alright, so our video is ready. So here you can see couple of things. Project settings. So you can set up your project like it's a portrait, it's a mobile device. You can select YouTube, you can select YouTube shorts, TikTok, Instagram post, Reels. Also you can resize the social media. Also you can change the background color, also images, you can change the audio. Okay, and also you can change the duration. So far our video is ready, so let's download it. Okay, so before downloading, so I am going to show you the another thing. You can change the option here and you can see the output instantly over there. If you want to upload YouTube video, so you can upload this YouTube video. Click on there and just click on YouTube shorts. Okay, so it will come up like YouTube shorts video. So I'm going to click on YouTube videos and it's pretty cool. So this is our final results. It's really amazing. Background music, background videos and the subtitles, script, it's really amazing. So we want free, so click on MP4 720 pixel. Click on there and it will downloading in your device. Alright, our video downloaded finally. So let's go to YouTube channel, and I'm going to upload these YouTube videos. Also here you can see the title, skyrocket your sales with these winners. Also you can change it. We are going to copy the script that we already copied from the vid.io. So let's copy the script, and you can also paste it here. Just top 5 certified dropshipping winning products. That's pretty much clear. All right, and here you can see the thumbnail section. Also you can design your thumbnail, or you can also upload as from there. Also you have any playlist section, so click on playlist. And very important, altered content, that's mean AI altered contents. And altered contents, it's really important. So as you seen, we are creating these videos totally depends on AI. So here is two options, yes or no. So as we already created this video from AI, so definitely we have to click on yes. And here you can see the copyright section, no issues found. That's really amazing, unlisted. Okay, and when you finish your thumbnail, then you can publish your videos. Okay, so this is how you can create any videos like YouTube videos or any short videos using vid.io. It's completely free. You can use their premium version. You can upload your videos. Okay, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.